Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is KP Question Max. So, in we discuss the second semester BSc Zoology Economic Zoology 2023 question paper. The section A is 2-mark question. The first question is obligatory and facultative parasites distinguish the second one zoonotic diseases important question full important questions and the third one the bladder worms and the fourth one enterobiasis and the fifth one the pest outbreak in a reason and reason it's an important question and sixth one the leptocoryza rice bug describe seventh one the chandrak and the eighth one parasitoids example and that's ninth one scientific uses insect and the 10th one the prawn filtration it's an important question and the 11th one happen and the last question ornamental fishes examples and the section B 5-mark questions. The 13th one Plasmodium vivax in asexual life explain it's an important question and the 14th one biological control in merits and demerits it's an important and 15th one inoculative contaminative transmission distinguish example it's an important question and 16th one Spoloria maritina damages damage cause control measure 17th one encyclostoma duodenal describe and the 18th one prawn frames in different types it's an important question and the 19th one culturable fishes characteristics next section C two questions very important and the 20th one muscle culture it's an important question repeated question and 21st one pest management strategies explain second semester BSc Zoology Economical Zoology 2023 question paper 2022-21 and exam important questions channel post. Thank you for watching this video.